Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 25th of February and I thought of just starting this vlog because I don't have any vlog prepped yet to be posted, and as much as possible I wanted to post one vlog maybe once or twice a week. So today it's just gonna be a day in the life of a mom with her 2-year-old at home. So it's my day off. Romeo's at work, so it's me and my son Max at home. We're just gonna show you guys the reality of living here in the UK. Ano ba talaga ang mga ganap sa aming buhay. The thing is, as you can see, may sunshine na. So it's really good to see the sun, feel the sun. Still cold, but it's not as cold as the past weeks or months. So, masaya na kami. Din pala ako sa aming extra room. So, meron kaming three rooms dito sa house na we're renting. And so, this is the smallest room na ginawa naming track room na din. So, ito yung, for example, yung mga clothes ni Max. Yung mga old clothes na hindi na magkasya. More of Max's clothes talaga. Ang dami niyang damit. Tsaka ito yung mga coats namin, uniform. Tsaka yung mga jacket. Gusto ko lang i-share na the past siguro weeks na yung malamig talaga ang weather. It's been really hard kasi nakaka-depress siya, to be honest. Wait lang dito. So pag winter, I don't know if aware din kayo na kasi nga malamig, tapos madilim, tapos yung parang yung sunlight is very mabilis lang, like 8:00 siguro ng umaga, madilim pa. So, say hi. So, ayan, it's really a struggle. I think for me personally, I think okay naman si Max at saka si Romeo. Pero I think nahirap siya, nakaka-depress talaga to the point na parang gusto ko nang umuwi. And it made me, well, I miss my family back at home all the time naman. Pero parang nagiging triple. What? Orange ball! Nagiging triple siguro ang feelings at saka emotion. So, yes, yun lang. Nakakamiss. Parang gusto ko munang umuwi ng Pilipinas. But of course, hindi siya easy na decision kasi nga, syempre hindi mura yung pamasahe, and we have to check our budget, etc., etc., ang aming annual leave, ang dami talagang considerations if uuwi ng Pilipinas. So yeah, I think not yet. So kakayanin natin. Dito naman si Max, he's looking happy and he's just playing. So time check is already, I think, 10 a.m. Yesterday, galing ako ng night shift, Sunday. Ito yung previous na issue. Yung sa previous vlog ko na shinare, how hard it is to live in the UK with a child. Wait lang. I'll show you guys yung ginagawa ni Max. So he's starting to stack some blocks na, which is really nice to see. So I'll just put you here, parang i-background si Max while he's playing his toys. Wala na siya. So yun, sinabi ko sa previous vlog ko yung childcare sa UK na how hard it is. And so nangyari ulit yun. Nag-night shift ako, Sunday night. Tapos pagka Monday, which was yesterday, nag-long day si Romeo. So ayun na naman, wala po akong tulog the whole day yesterday. Except nag-nap si Max ng I think 1.5 hours sa hapon. So doon nakatulog na din ako, but I was so exhausted. Sabi po yung struggle yesterday. Physically drained talaga ako. So mabuti naman nakauwi si Romeo mga 7. J. Why is it in French? Dapat in English. super tired yesterday. Mabuti umuwi siya 7 p.m. na after his work. So, kumain na din ako. Pinakain ko na si Max pero wala na po talaga akong energy whatsoever left. So, natulog ako ng maaga. Mga siguro 7:30, siguro to 8 p.m. Natulog na talaga ako. Sabi ko, ikaw na bahala kay Max. Tapos natulog na ako. And then, natuloy-tuloy na. I woke up this morning, 7 a.m. So, I feel okay naman. Pero, alam mo yung feel tired a little bit pa rin. Oo. It's okay. Just put it back. It's okay. So, ayun. So, today, so off pa din ako. Si Romeo ang may work. And then, tomorrow, back to long day. But so far, okay naman po si Max. Kumain na siya. Ay. You want me to help? Dali. Oh. Okay, yan. So, put 1, 2. There's another one there. Oh, there's the ball, Max, oh. This is the ball for that. Uh-oh. So, ayun. Feeling tired pa din, pero better na kasi nakatulog na ako. Oh, this is the hammer. So, it's just me and Max today. Wala naman pong plano. Wala kaming gagawin except to rest and play with him. Tapos siguro plano ko iron ng uniforms. So usually nagpa-plancha po ako mga 3 or 4 uniforms para sa amin ng husband ko si Romeo, para ready na for the next shifts. So, yun lang. I'm gonna just, take videos throughout the day to see, for us to show you guys anong ginagawa namin, which is really not much, to be honest. The ball. 1. Uh-oh! Isa pa. Yeah! Yeah! Yan na guys. So, gusto ko sana mag-plancha ng 3 uniform. Pero, ginuto na po ako. At least, meron na po ako tomorrow at saka si Romeo the next day. Then, magpa-plancha na naman ako siguro after my shift. So, ito po yung lunch ko today. So, actually, brunch. Kasi nag-Milo na ako kanina. So, I have rice. Ito po yung fish na, kasi may leftover. Nag-order ako ng fish and chips last night. Tapos, hindi ko naubos. Hindi kumain si Romeo. So, ayan. Kainin ko na. At saka corned beef na niluto niya this morning. So, ayan po. Bon appetit. He fell up and bumped his head. And the doctor said, hello? No more monkey jumping on the bed. Okay. Excuse me, I'll open the gate. Oh, wow. Are you a monkey? Are you a monkey? Oops, watch your feet. So, it's Max's nap time na. After lunch, nagplay siya konti, and then he's going to have his nap na. So, ayan. We're training him na magnap na sa crib niya and not beside us, which usually naman nagwo-work. So, I'll just lay down and sleep on his own. Okay. Fix ko muna yung